Hello friends, now we see the problem number 5, which is also based on a rationalization method of chapter limits. The problem number 5 is a limit extends to 2 square root of x cube minus 4 minus 2 whole thing divided by square root of 20 minus x square minus 4. Now let's see the solution. First of all, the given problem we denote as a L. So L equal to limit extends to 2 square root of x cube minus 4 minus 2 upon square root of 20 minus x square minus 4. Since the radical part, that is a square root, present in both numerator as well as denominator, it means here we have to rationalize numerator and denominator, so we get that equal to limit extends to 2 square root of x cube minus 4 minus 2 in the first bracket, square root of x cube minus 4 plus 2 in the second bracket, totally divided by square root of x cube minus 4 plus 2 in the denominator. In this way, we rationalize numerator. Now we rationalize denominator as in the denominator 20 minus x square minus 4 in the first bracket, then square root of 20 minus x square plus 4 in the second bracket, and same term, that square root of 20 minus x square plus 4 in the numerator. Now here the numerator and denominator is of the type a minus b and a plus b. By applying formula that a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, the next step will be is equal to limit extends to 2 in the numerator square root of x cube minus 4 the whole square minus square root of 2 the whole square. That is the answer for first two brackets. And third bracket, that square root of 20 minus x square plus 4 we write as it is. Similarly, in the denominator, by applying same formula, we get square root of 20 minus x square the whole square minus 4 the whole square. This is the answer of first two brackets. And then the third bracket, that square root of x cube minus 4 plus 4 we write as it is. So that equal to limit extends to 2. Now square and square root cancel, so we get answer x cube minus 4, then minus 2 the whole square also gives us 4. Then second bracket, that square root of 20 minus x square plus 4 we write as it is, totally divided by, now here in the denominator square and square root cancel, so we left with 20 minus x square minus 4 the 4 square gives us 16. That is the answer for first bracket. And in the second bracket, the term square root of x cube minus 4 plus 2 we write as it is. Is equal to limit x tends to 2. Now x cube minus 4 minus 8 minus 4 gives us minus 8. Then second bracket square root of 20 minus x square plus 4 we write as it is. In the denominator we have 20 minus 16, that is 4 minus x square. So from that we take minus sign common. So in the bracket we have x square minus 4, and the second bracket that square root of x cube minus 4 plus 2 we write as it is. Now here the terms that x cube minus 8 in the numerator is of the type a cube minus b cube, having two factors, that a minus b in the first bracket, then a square plus ab plus b square in the second bracket. So therefore, by using this formula, the next step will be limit x tends to 2. In the numerator, first bracket we have x minus 2, next bracket x square plus 2x plus 4, and the third bracket, that is square root of 20 minus x square plus 4 we write as it is. Then in the denominator we keep minus sign as it is. Now bracket that x square minus 4 is of the type a square minus b square. So giving two factor, that x plus 2 and x minus 2, and next bracket term, that x cube minus 4 plus 2 we write as it is equal to limit x tends to 2. Now we cancel here x minus 2 from numerator and denominator, stating result that since x tends to 2, it means x not equal to 2. It means x minus 2 not equal to 0. It means here we cancel the term x minus 2 from numerator and denominator. So the next step will be limit x tends to 2. In the numerator we have x square plus 2x plus 4 in the first bracket, square root of 20 minus x square plus 4 in the second bracket, and the denominator minus in bracket x plus 2, and in the next bracket we have x cube minus 4 plus 2. Now here we substituting limit as x equal to 2. So we have 2 square plus 2 into 2 plus 4 in the first bracket, then square root of 20 minus 2 square plus 4, and whole thing divided by minus in bracket 2 plus 2, next bracket 2 cube minus 4 the whole square root plus 2. So that equal to, now 2 square 4 and 2 into 2 4 and plus 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, that gives us 12, multiply by, now 20 minus 2 square, that is 20 minus 4 gives us 16, and square root of 16 is 4. So 4 plus 4, then minus 2 plus 2 gives us 4 into, then in a bracket 2 cube, that is 8, 8 minus 4 is 4 and square root of 4 is a 2 plus 2 we write as it is. So the next step will be 12 into, now 4 plus 4 we get 8 and minus 4 into 2 plus 2 we get 4. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, again 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So 3 into 2 6 and the minus sign, so that equal to minus 6. So this is, so in this way we get answer minus 6. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.